Mr. G, and I'm going to show you an A minor 7 alternative chord. Hopefully it's a new chord that you never played before because it's a really cool chord. It's fun to play when you're playing acoustic, rhythm, and even leads sometimes it's fun to kind of throw this chord in. So let me show you what this chord looks like. And remember, an A minor 7 chord is made up of A, C, E, and G. It's basically the first, the third flatted, the fifth, and the seventh flatted. And that's what it's made of, A, C, E, G. So this chord here, this alternative chord, consists of all those notes. And this is what it looks like here. So let me just play it here for you so you know what it sounds like. It's a really nice minor 7th chord to play. Now, what I'm going to do with this chord is the 6th string, that E, I'm going to play that. I'm going to play that open. And then the 5th string, I'll play that open too. So the 6th string is your E string, play that open. The 5th string is your A string, play that open. So right off the bat, we have 2 open notes there. And then what I'm going to do is on the 7th fret of the 4th string, I'm going to place my ring finger there. And I'm going to play that A there. And then with my index finger, I'm going to reach over on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and I'm going to play that C. Then my little finger, I'm going to reach over to the 8th fret of the 2nd string to play that G note. And then on the 1st string, we're just going to play that one open. That's your open E. And when we play all those notes together, this is what it sounds like. And it's a good idea to work on playing those notes individually so they sound real clean. So strumming and playing them individually. Again, that's an A minor 7 alternative open chord. Hope you like it. Add it into your guitar routine when you're playing lead or rhythm and keep on jamming.